In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and assign security templates for your administrators and employees so that they have limited access to features in the system. So the way that we set these up is we're going to go up to our administrative panel and select Functions. We'll scroll down to Security and we'll click on Templates. Now when it says select user type, we're going to want to select our administrator. And we're going to create a new template. And we can label this whatever we want. So I'm going to call this Front Desk Access. And we're going to continue. Once again, we're going to drop down, select Administrator. Select default template. So right now I want to select the one I just created, which is Front Desk Access. And the way that we create these templates is by expanding these plus signs you see over to the left. So I'll click on these. It's going to open up a few different categories for me, and you'll notice there's quite a few different expansion areas here. So in the check-in, there's going to be certain features that you can enable and disable for use by your front desk team or your receptionist. Same thing goes for your expenses and your EFT. If you want them to be able to see a few certain features, you can select only the features that you do want them to see. So in this case, since this is a receptionist or a front desk person, I'm going to give them access to all of the check-in features. I'm also going to give them access to point of sale features so that they can make sales. And I'm also going to give them access to the scheduler. And they don't really need to have access to too many more features than that, so I'll keep it like that for now. And then we're just going to save this. Okay, and we've successfully created a security template for a new administrator. I'm going to click here to continue. And what I'm going to show you how to do is how to assign that security template to a specific administrator. So I'm going to return back home. I'm going to locate my administrator by going to Functions, Users, Find User. And you can either search for your administrator by their last name or by user type. So I'm just going to go in here and select Administrator and search. And what I would highly recommend doing is setting up a dummy admin so that you'll have a limited login to teach your employees how to use the system. It's really good to set one of these up. So you can do this by going into one of your administrators' names or creating an administrator and then going into Security. And all you need to do is select a template, and we'll say Front Desk Access. And then we'll just click on Reset User Settings to Template. Are you certain you want to reset the security for this user? Okay. And we will save this. Okay, now once that's saved, what I want to do is I'm going to actually log off the system, and I'm going to log on as that administrator that we just created. So we'll click on the admin login. And we're going to click Sign In. And you'll notice in here you've only got a few different features that you'll have access to. So we've got check-in, point of sale, and scheduler. That's all that I've given this administrator access to. You also have a tools area, a help area, and a log off button. That's the extent of what this person will have access to. So like I said, set up a test site for this so that you know how this works. Use this test site to teach your new employees. It will make it less complicated. They won't feel like they have too many options, which is going to be nice and easy for them. And if you have any questions about how this process works, please contact our client support team or send us a support ticket, and we'd be happy to answer any questions. Have a great day.